Welcome again, everyone. This is Military Guna, and this is a massive one for you all. As you all know, Arsenal are linking with the massive starlet, young up and coming starlet from Sporting Lisbon, and you all know his name, Tiago Tomas, and this one is massive. Arsenal trying to get this young lad before the market explodes on him, in which other massive clubs coming in for him, big clubs coming in for him and drawing closer to his contract. So according to Jordan Davis, Arsenal are close to the signing of Tiago Tomas from Sporting Lisbon, as Edu Gasper has been in close contact with Sporting Lisbon director of football Hugo Viana. The player has a release clause of £52 million, but could go for as low as £20 million, and that is the market value for these young players nowadays. And I can tell you, my God, that is embarrassing, those prices that they are quoting. But we're yet to see what that means. Now, first thing I want to get into the player's profile. Let me allow you guys to get a better idea of the player that we're getting, such as his details. Tiago Tomas wears the number 19 for Sporting Lisbon. Was born June 16, 2002. As you all know, 18 years old. His height is 1.8 meter. Portuguese is his nationality, as you all know. Position center forward, that is his main position. He also can operate as a second striker, also play on the right wing. His current contract expires June 30, 2025. He's now made in his international appearance for a Portuguese under-20 team. As I said from early on, he wears number 19 and has a market value, according to Transfer Market, at €6 million. Now, this is the important part that I know you guys will love. Stick around for it, and here it is. Stats, facts. Now, this goes on to show the type of player that we're looking into and the quality that he'll definitely bring to this team. Now, in Premier League, he had 18 appearances with 2 goals and 2 assists. 18 appearances with 2 goals and 2 assists for a young lad. Now, he averages minutes per goal, 435 minutes per goal, with a total of 869 minutes played. He also made 3 appearances in Allianz Cup, no goal, no assist, and a total of 182 minutes played. In the Europa League qualifier, this is where he stands out, playing 2 games and also contributing to 2 goals in those 2 games, averaging 84 minutes per goal, playing a total of 167 minutes. Now, in the Taça del Portugal, he made 2 appearances, 1 goal, 1 assist, with a total of 165 minutes played. Now, in total for his senior appearances in 2021 season, you will see where he has a total of 25 games played, 5 goals, 3 assists, with a total of minutes per goal at 275 and total minutes played 183 minutes, and that is really good. Now let me get into his international career as a youth. His first appearance, his debut appearance, was in 2018 September the 7th. Made 16 appearances with a conclusive of 5 goals. On the 18 stages, he made his debut appearances on November the 27th, 2019, playing 4 games, averaging, and has 5 goals. Also, in 2020, February 25th, he's made his international debut for the under-19s. He made 1 appearance, no goal, and he's yet to make an appearance for the under-20 teams. Now, what does this mean for the likes of Furlan Balogun and Eddie Nketiah, for Arsenal Football Club to be going so early trying to get this deal done as fast as possible? It could be massive for these youngsters, I could tell you, because we know that Balogun didn't re-sign his contract, so there's a strong possibility that he might be out. Also, there could be another possibility that Eddie Nketiah also will be out, but we know that Lacazette is going as well. So could he be a replacement for any one of these players? We don't know. It is yet to tell. So let me get into a bit of his style of play, his strengths and weaknesses. His strength is holding up the ball, and that is where you can see that he has quite a few assists in his short time span playing. But one of his biggest weaknesses is his discipline. He received quite a number of yellow cards in such a short appearances. He doesn't get into foul quite often, but he loves to play short passes. He does not dive into tackles, but he commits a lot of fouls. He does not know how to tackle, but as a youngster, that will grow with him. So this is my little much on our youngster that were scooping in trying to get into the team. Tiago Tomas. I am hoping that you guys enjoy this show, and if you did enjoy it, please hit the like button, and I said before, subscribe for more content like these. This has been Military Guna TV. I am Murray Dakers. Guess what? I am out.